is up, YouTube? It's your boy Smee45. We are back with another unboxing. We have today the Bose SoundSport wireless headphone. What we're getting into today, guys, we're going in another pair of wireless headphones. Things coming in a nice package. They're Bose, so I'm expecting big things. I don't know. I'm setting myself up for failure or what, but I expect big things from this. I am a big Bose person, so let's check it out. It opens up, start opening up, gives you a little insight, do the app and all that stuff. And got some really nice packaging there. How they're gonna open up, guys. I'm like this. Digging it, I'm digging it. See here. Liking the headset. Liking how it comes. Got size cord to it. So these are the cords. It looks like it has a clip on the back, which will clip, put it on, and clip it to the back of your shirt so it doesn't move and stays in place. Kind of like that. I'm digging that. And it's got the headset, got the voice in it too, so you can call. It looks like it's gonna be pretty nice, man. He's got a nice quality, nice build to him. Nice solid thing. I like the wire is like a lot longer than the Jaybirds that I had once. Those definitely have a better feel. They're not in my ears all the way yet. Definitely digging the feel. They feel a lot softer, not as hard. So let's see what else is in the box. We got the headphones out. Gonna come with a little charger, little cable. Gonna come with micro USB to charge it. Micro USB to charge. We're gonna come into it with, ooh, look at this. Little case to carry them in? Is this what this is? Little clip case. Look at this, guys. This is pretty nifty. Got the little clip, hooks on your belt. Like if you take them out, you can hook them on your belt, chill. Unzips. Unzips them. Got a nice little holding case inside, like if you want to put your extra earpieces in there, your charger. Dig it. I dig it a lot. I love the color. The color scheme is awesome. Kind of matches my computer and all that stuff. Then it comes with a bunch of different sizes, it looks like, because it's going to be different sizes, ear holes, earpieces for you. So you're going to get 2 different ones of these, size-wise. Looks like we're going to get into some instructions. Got a bunch of instructions. You got the headphones, basically the different things, I guess the ohms and everything they're going to talk about, safety, all that good stuff. That's the inside of it, man. That's actually pretty. I'm digging the case. I like the case. I like the way this is. Like you can put this on, so you're running and you're done. You don't want to have the headphones on. You put them in here, locked away. Packaging, 100% is legit. Really dig the packaging. Dig the packaging. Comes in a nice solid box. Definitely Bose impressed with the packaging, 100%. I dig it. I dig the packaging. And that's a solid box. Like the packaging for some headphones, you know what I mean? These are priced at about $130 pair. Not too bad. I mean, it is Bose, so I think it's worth it. I don't think it's a steep price, especially for these. I'm looking forward to putting them in and see what this sounds like and whatnot. Let's see if we can pair them up. Let's see if we can pair them up right now, guys. Let's pair them up one stream. while we do the video. Let's see what we can get done. Turn that on. Okay, so these are different. They're looking, they're searching. Okay, there they are. Pairing. And they're paired. All right, let's lock these in. Let's test them out. Let's see what we got, guys. Fit nice in your ears, comfortable. These are way more, I like these already. They're a lot more comfortable. I might have to change the earpieces out to get a little bit better. Let's put some music on and see what we think. Check it out. Whoa. What I like about them is like you can move your head a little bit without any problems. The sound is amazing. Amazing sound, guys. Amazing. The bass is really good. And I'm pretty sure there's an app for them. I got to do a little bit more digging. But putting a newer song on, that was a little bit of older song, Nelly back in the day. But now I have Joyner Lucas Isis on, which got a better, it's gonna have a more updated sound to it. So we're really gonna get to hear them. Not gonna lie, the sound is crazy. The quality is simply amazing. Not gonna lie. We will do a bigger review on these guys after we test them out a little bit more. Running, lifting, walking, all that different stuff that I do. So guys, stay tuned for the review. We will have the Bose review on the SoundSport later on this week. So stay tuned to it. Guys, please like, share, subscribe. If you guys like these videos, let me know in the comments what else you guys like to know, like to see from these, and I got you. Until then, peace.